Hi everyone, this is Sarfraz from Aristotle Prep, and we are looking at question 120 from the OG 13 Critical Reasoning chapter. The stimulus says Codex Berrinensis, a Florentine copy of an ancient Roman medical treatise, is undated but contains clues to when it was produced. Its first 80 pages are by a single copyist, but the remaining 20 pages are by three different copies, which indicates some significant disruption. Understood? Since a letter in handwriting identified as that of the fourth copyist mentions a plague that killed many people in Florence in 1148, Codex Berrinensis was probably produced in that year. So the argument concludes that the fourth copyist, the last one, mentions a plague in 1148 in that region. So then the disruption that led to three different copies being used could have been the plague. It's possible that because of the plague, the first two copies died, or the second and third copies died, and the last one, the fourth one, then mentioned that plague in the letter. So that's basically the logic behind the argument, that the plague could have been the reason for the disruption and why it needed three people to complete the last 20 pages. And now we have to strengthen the hypothesis that yes, it was actually produced in 1148. So how do you strengthen it? Think about it a little. The entire basis for this conclusion is the fact that the fourth copyist mentions a plague in 1148. The fourth copyist never says that this work was written in 1148. He just mentions a plague in 1148, and then we conclude that the plague might have been the reason for the disruption, why three people were needed. But what if there were more plagues? What if there was another plague in 1120, maybe a third one in 1160? Then the work could have also been written in those years, right? So it would be a nice thing to assume that there were no other incidents of plague except for the one in 1148. That could be one way of strengthening it. There could be more ways also. Let's go through the options. There says, other than Codex Berrinensis, there are no known samples of the handwriting of the first three copies. Tells you nothing about the time period when this was written. B says, according to the account by the fourth copyist, the plague went on for 10 months. Does the duration of the plague make any difference? It doesn't. The idea is basically that the plague led to the disruption. The duration of the plague shouldn't really matter. A scribe would be able to copy a page of text the size and style of Codex Berrinensis in a day. Tells you nothing. D says there was only one outbreak of plague in Florence in the 1100s. That's perfect. That is the answer we had in mind. That definitely strengthens the argument because then there was no other incidents of plague. So then this work must have most likely be written in 1148. E says the number of pages of Codex Berrinensis produced by a single scribe becomes smaller with each successive change of copies. Again, tells you nothing. So D should be the best answer. Again, a difficult question, definitely a 4.5 out of 5. Have a nice day.